So last class, we learned that our treble clef staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. So let's label them again. So starting from what? So we start from the bottom and we go to the top. So let's label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. And how many spaces did we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I said that each of our letters in our musical alphabet goes on a line or a space. So today we are going to learn that. So if it's on a line, I have a sentence that I use or a saying to help me remember. And that saying is, every good boy deserves fudge. Can you repeat after me? Every good boy deserves fudge. Please whisper that to yourself 3 times. All right, so hopefully you remember that saying. So we use every good boy deserves fudge for the lines. So remember, I said we count from the bottom to the top. So if a note is right here on this bottom line, I use that saying to help me, and I say every, and I stop because that is where my note head is. What word did I stop on? I stopped on the word every, and every starts with what letter? E, and is E in our musical alphabet? You bet it is, so we write E. So that first line in my treble clef staff is always the note E. So if I go up a line, I use my saying. So I say every good, and I stop because my note head's there. And I stopped on what word? I stopped on the word good. And what does good start with? A G. So I'm going to write a G right there. That is the note G. So if I have a note here, I'm still going to use my saying. Every good boy, and I stopped on the word boy. And what does boy start with? It starts with a B, so this is the note B. Now if I had a note up here, can you figure that out? So use our saying, every good boy deserves fudge to help you. Once you figure out that one, can you figure out this top line? So you're figuring out these 2 top lines. So use our saying, every good boy. All right, let's go over it. So this is the note D, and this is the note F. Excellent. So that is how I figure out the lines on my treble clef staff. All right, I'll see you in the next video to talk about our spaces.